Hi everyone, this is one of the butterflies that doesn't want to leave the garden, or me it would appear, and it feels a bit like that for some of you. You're moving on to college, new placements, new classes. It's going to feel a bit weird, it's going to feel a bit strange. Staff feel like that too. I just wanted to say on behalf of Forest School, have a wonderful holiday. Those of you who are coming back to school in September, see you then. Those of you, oh yay, he's flown off, who aren't, spread your wings, work as hard as you can, and then no one can complain. Do your best, and I'm sure you'll be fine. Take care. I'll see you in September. Bye for now.
My best things about this year at Oscott Manor have been having fun with lots of you in the OT gym, and also those of you that have worked really hard with me on the zones of regulation and working towards getting your zones licence. I hope that you all have a really happy summer. Remember to keep active and keep moving and look after each other. This is Hannah, your occupational therapist, signing off. Take care and goodbye.
Hello, Room 1. Myself, Renee, Kirsty and Sophie would like to say that it has been a pleasure to work with you all. You have worked really hard and we are so proud of all your individual achievements. This year we have created lots of memories in Room 1. We are all so proud of how far you've come in this tough, challenging year. You have developed your zones and some of you have started to use tools to help you in and around school, while others are now working towards their zone licence. Thank you for being such an amazing class and keeping up the hard work as you move to your next year at Oscott Manor. Some of you will be moving to other classes, but the majority of you will be staying with Kirsty and myself. Whichever class you will be in, you will be supported by the wonderful staff that work at Oscott Manor. Please remember, when things are back to normal, you can come and say hi to us, and that goes for Renee and Sophie too. Take care, keep washing those hands, have a lovely relaxing holiday, and we look forward in welcoming you back in September. Bye!
Hello everybody, it's that time of year already, time to say goodbye. I've got a few notices for you, firstly from Paul. Paul said, I can't believe it's the end of term in spite of all the unforeseen circumstances. You have all done so well. I am so very proud of you all. Keep up the good work and you will all go on to achieve great things. My very best wishes for the future, Paul. Okay, and the next message is from Eunice. Well, I'm sorry for this academic year to come to an end as it has. I was really looking forward to helping you all get used to your new friends and staff in your new classes, but unfortunately have not been able to give the support I would have wanted. However, I think we all have the ability to work on the positives, and I'm sure we will all make new relationships with our new classes. I know we have all worked hard and also had fun together. I won't forget you all laughing at me when I fell over trying to do the limbo. Obviously, you were all better at it than me. I will also remember the many conversations we had about the old and the new and the good times and the bad. The good times always won. I have every faith in you all to do your very best next year and will miss the laughter. Okay, and finally from me. Hi everyone. It's been a strange year, but it has been great getting to know each of you and your individual quirks. I will remember our visit to the cinema with our resident film critics, you know who you are. Our visit to the theatre to see Peter Pan, and wondering how many sweets some of you could eat in 2 hours. Sampling your baking on Fridays, toasting marshmallows and drinking hot chocolate with Sue in Forest School, which was rather nice. Eunice, of course, doing the limbo dance, and your obsession with Spot the Difference. I hope that you all enjoy your summer holidays and come back in September with a positive attitude and ready to work hard in your new classes. Eunice, Paul and I will miss you all, but we'll still see you around school, and I know that you'll all be absolutely fine in your new classes. So take care, have a great summer, and see you soon. Bye.
Hello, Room 3. We have really enjoyed being your teachers this year. We have had lots of fun and laughter. We have enjoyed lots of lovely trips together. We especially have a laugh when you used to say certain words and we used to break into song and dance. We are so proud of all the homeschool learning you have done and how you've all stayed safe during the lockdown. You have all grown in confidence so much since you started the school. We'd like to wish you good luck in your new classrooms and good luck for the future. Hope you all enjoy your summer holidays and we'll see you all in September. Take care of yourselves. From myself, Ellie, Angelina, Emma. Bye-bye. Take care.
This is a message from Shiv, Claire D, Linda and Claire W. Hello everyone. It has been an amazing year. We have really enjoyed working with you and supporting you with your learning. It has been wonderful to see how you have all grown and progressed. You have all worked hard and achieved so much in the last year. As a class, we have built such positive relationships with you all, which has helped us on our journey. We are very proud of you, especially in these difficult times. I know you are all going to be super amazing in your new classes. Enjoy your summer holidays and we will see you all in September. Thank you for being an amazing class. Room 4 rocks. Stay safe and take care. And remember, don't just fly, soar high.
Hello Room 5. Wow, what a journey we've all been on. This was not the year we planned for you. You've all coped amazingly well. But I just wanted to spend a minute to remind you all of some of the things that you have achieved this year. For some of you, this was your first year in Key Stage 4. You worked hard to begin to understand what was needed of you in the next year or two to access your exams and do well. Those of you in your final year, you worked equally as hard to get what you needed to get yourselves into college. You all embraced your work experience. You got there in the end, you all got where you wanted to be, and you look forward to it every week, and it was fantastic to see. Matthew, Kyle and myself, we are all very proud of you. You are outstanding, unique individuals with the potential to do well and go far. Keep working hard and be kind to each other. It has been an absolute pleasure watching you all grow. Remember, be ready, respectful and safe, and be the very best you can be. Keep working hard, keep doing what you're doing, and you will have a lovely summer. I will see you all in September. Bye.
Hi Room 6. This is a message to you from me, Kate and Earl.
We've had an incredible time teaching and working with you all, and we have so much to be thankful for.
Thank you for always being so ready, respectful and safe with us and one another.
Thank you for all the laughter and the smiles, and helping to start our day the best way possible.
Thank you for the impromptu class selfies we often took.
Thank you for sharing your sweets, showing how generous and kind you all are.
Thank you for being such great detectives during our mystery topic in English.
Thank you for filling up our water bottles, looking after us and keeping us hydrated.
Thank you for working so hard and giving us your all in everything we did together.
Thank you for teaching us the memory dance. This always brightened our day.
Thank you for remembering to put your zones on the board each morning so we knew how we could help you.
Thank you for designing such an incredible holiday island during our vacation topic.
Thank you for learning phrases in different languages with us. Merhaba. Hodafez.
Thank you for being so good for Teacher Kate.
Thank you for helping us to teach Persia alternative words to beautiful.
Thank you for letting me have my solo dance parties out of the blue. And thank you to those of you that used to join in. We have so many fond memories of the short time we had together as a class. We learned so much about you all. And we learned what kind, clever, and what fun individuals you all are. Have a fantastic summer. And we wish you all the best for the new school year. And to those of you that are going on to college, we know you'll do well. Be brave, make friends, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
So hello Room 7, and here it is, our goodbye video. I've got messages from Helen, John and Simon, and then me, okay. So this is from Helen. Hello all, it's time to say goodbye. This year has now come to an end. It's been a pleasure to work with each and every one of you. I'll remember all the fun and the learning that we have had together in and out of school. It will be sad to see you all go, but nice to see you all move on to the next stage of your learning. Continue to stay positive and keep up all the hard work. Goodbye everyone, from Helen. And this one is from Simon. Hello everyone in Room 7. This is my goodbye message to you. I'll always remember the class in Room 7 as you were my first class at Oscott Manor. I have lots of happy memories, and one of my favourites is doing Bollywood dancing during PE. You all enjoyed this way of keeping fit, as I could see you were very happy whilst dancing. My piece of wisdom for you is to keep working hard like you have been, and you will be ready for the next chapter in your life. All the very best to you. It's been an absolute pleasure to teach you, and a shame we couldn't be in school for the last few months. Thank you for making my first year at Oscott Manor a fun and memorable one. Good luck for the future. Simon. Your next one is from John. It has been a pleasure supporting you this school year. Keep active and healthy over the holidays. See you in September, John. And finally, Room 7, it's goodbye from me. I feel a little bit sad not to be saying goodbye to your faces, but I'm excited for every single one of you. You're all moving on to new teachers, and those new teachers are going to think you are absolutely marvellous. My favourite memory of you, all of you, is singing and dancing to Percy Parker, having loads of fun and learning your times tables at the same time. My words of wisdom are obviously going to do with the rights. Keep your rights in mind all summer. Remember, they are yours, every single one of them. Remember Article 12, you have the right to be heard, and Article 31, you have got the right to play and relax. Keep these in mind along with our school rules, ready, respectful and safe, and you will not go far wrong this summer. So, have a brilliant summer, Room 7, and it has been an honour to be your teacher. Thanks guys, bye.
Sarah said she's thankful to get to work with such lovely, respectful students. You've all been amazing, and she's thankful for all the laughter and fun that we've had together. Have a lovely summer holiday, stay safe, and she looks forward to seeing you all ready and raring to go in September. Keep smiling and being you. Michelle has thoroughly enjoyed working with you and seeing your smiling faces. She's really looking forward to September, when you'll all be able to be together again. What can I say? It's been an absolute pleasure to teach you. I wish you every success in the future. You all deserve it. Stay safe and well. I'll miss you loads. Bye now.
Hello everybody from Room 9. Well, it's come to the end of the year. It's gone very quickly. You have a fantastic summer holiday, and we look forward to seeing you when you come back in September. And for those who are leaving us, it's been a joy, and I hope you do well with whatever you want to do for the future.
It's me, the poet, don't you know it? I just want to say how much I've really missed you all. I've even missed your talks about football. Have an amazing 6 weeks. Can't wait to see you all in September. Stay safe, miss you all.
Thank you for an amazing year. It's a shame it was a short one due to the lockdown. I am though looking forward to working with many of you in September. All the best. Goodbye. Have a wonderful summer.
Hi guys, hope you're all keeping well and enjoying the sunshine. Been a strange few months, but hopefully you are raring to go in September. Enjoy your time off and let's keep our fingers crossed for the villa. Let's see if they can survive. Have a good break, take care, see you soon.
Hello, it's Amy here. This is a message for all the pupils in room 10. It has been lovely to work with you all this year, and we will miss you if you are moving on to new adventures. And if you're going to a new class in Oscott Manor School, I know that you're going to have a fantastic time in your new class teams in September. But this is a message to say thank you and well done for all your hard work this term. We hope you have a lovely summer and that you have lots of fun playing and enjoying, hopefully, the nice weather that we're going to have in August. Everybody stay safe, take care, and we hope to see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, hope everybody's fine. We've been talking in room 11 about the last year and how amazing it's been. That's the only word for it, amazing. And we've been talking about the work that's been done, all the activities you've been doing, and hopefully the fun you've been having as well. I was talking to Cheryl and she was saying that her highlight of the year has been how pupils have organised themselves and they've really got on with their tasks. She was mentioning about Zakia and how well she's got on with her phonics cards. Doesn't need any help anymore. She'll just get on with that. Amazing work. She was saying about Fatima and how she's helped to organise us all, remembering dates and prompting staff as well if we forget something. That's really been really useful, Fatima. Claire's been talking about the great communication and friendship between the pupils this year. She was talking about Jack and how well he's communicating and expressing himself and how well he's able to talk about things if they're worrying him. She was saying that Pfizer has also come in this year and been amazing in her communication, talking to all of the staff, all of the pupils and initiating those conversations. Really important. Sarah mentioned how pupils have become far more independent and how it's been lovely to see them really happy. She was talking about Arnica coming in and seeing her with her friends, trying to be independent, trying to support her friends, and how Arifa is coming in every morning with a big smile on her face and greeting everybody. It's lovely to see. Malta's been remembering when pupils have helped each other and been kind to each other in class. She was saying about Samina and how she's helped staff and the other pupils, and how Shafi's been very kind to pupils when they've been upset, and he's found them out to try and see if he can help. Very kind. Val's joined us as well, and she's been amazed by the pupils' commitment to their work skills and to their work experience. And she was talking about Jake and how well he's got on at CT Furnishings, something he'd never have tried before, but has been absolutely amazing. Well done, Jake. It's been a fantastic year. There's been lots of highlights and everyone's been a star at some point. The staff have some words of wisdom for next year. Always be kind. Always be respectful. Always do your best. It's okay to get things wrong. If you get them wrong, you can learn how to get them right. Enjoy everything you do. Have a wonderful summer.